Kikita ka ng 200 pesos weekly, libreng PS5, Nintendo Switch 2, Xbox Series X, and MetaQuest 3. May chance ka ring manalo ng by up to 23k pesos weekly. All of this for less than 1 hour lang ng gameplay daily. What's up mga tropa? Another day, another tutorial tayo. This is Immutable Play, where gamers win. Si Immutable Play ay may perpetual rewards program where participants can join by playing games on Immutable Network and completing quests that are associated with its games. Nag-start ang perpetual rewards program ni Immutable noong April 2025 and ongoing pa rin siya for 33 weeks straight na. At the time of the recording, there are roughly 40,000 participants weekly sa perpetual rewards program ni Immutable. To join, just click the sign up link in the description. First, need mo mag-acquire ng 500 gems before ka maka-join sa weekly rewards program ni Immutable. I suggest na i-explore mo yung games catalog ni Immutable Play. If you found a game that clicked to you, explore it. Gawin mo yung mga follow quests, social quests, and in-game related quests. Okay, nakapag-acquire ka na ng 500 gems. What now? Next step is bilhin yung key for that week para maging eligible ka sa rewards. Now, here's what I think is the most important thing to consider. May recurring quest ba tong game na to? If yes, then good. If no, then try exploring other games. So, bakit nga ba importante ang recurring quest? Importante sila dahil pwede mong ulit-ulitin yung quest. Yes, malaki ang bigay na weekly points ng mga one-time quest pero di siya sustainable. And that's where recurring quests come into play. To check kung anong mga games ang may mga recurring quests, you can click sa may your keys sa may uppermost part ng iyong screen and mag-scroll to see what games ang may mga recurring quests. Here are some of my favorite games na may recurring quests. Numstead, Slime Miner, Guild of Guardians, and Immortal Rising 2. Oops! Before ko spill ang mga possible reward ng keys, daanan muna natin ang Legendary Wheel! Upon completing quest, besides sa weekly points and gems, makakatanggap ka rin ng free spin. Those free spins are what you will use sa $5,000 Legendary Wheel. Spinning the Legendary Wheel gives you a chance to win gems, gift cards, IMX tokens, PlayStation 5, an Xbox Series X, a Nintendo Switch 2, and a MetaQuest 3. So keep on playing and questing to get those juicy rewards. Depende sa key rank mo ang makukuha mong rewards. So the higher your points, the better the rewards. Okay, here are the possible rewards based sa tier ng susi na nakuha mo. Common key, either free entry for the next week, meaning di ka na bibili ng susi for next week, or gems. Uncommon key, either free entry for next week or gems. Rare key, IMX token, epic key, IMX token, legendary key, IMX token. Of course, di lang dyan nagtatapos ang pakulo ni Immutable. If ang susi mo ay na-reach ang epic to legendary rank, may chance ka for mythic rewards. For epic key, the mythic reward is 250 IMX, currently worth 4.6k pesos. For legendary key, second place mythic reward is 500 IMX, which is worth 9,000 pesos. And for the legendary key, first place mythic reward is 1,250 IMX token, which is worth 23,000 pesos. Kung gusto mong subukan ang Perpetual Rewards program ni Immutable Play, there's a sign up link in the description. Yun lang for this video. Sana may natutunan kayo. At kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na to, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Happy gaming mga tropa!